If you've ever used Microsoft Word or Google Docs, you'll be somewhat familiar with setting different text sizes. HTML lets you do the same thing using 6 heading elements, H1 through H6. H1 elements are the largest headings, while, as you might guess, H6 are the smallest. Most commonly, web developers and designers use heading tags to handle page titles, subheadings, labels, captions, and so on. Using headings tags is convenient because it helps make sure that certain text elements are consistently sized across pages. It's also useful because it helps web pages perform better in Google search, but more on that another time. Let's practice headings for a moment. Make a page with a large title, a subheading, and your name. Make the title the largest, the subtitle a little smaller, and your name smaller still. Start with H1. Pause this video if you want to make it on your own. If you want to see me do it first, then keep the video playing and check this out. Save and refresh, and cool. As you can see, it's pretty simple, but as you make more and more complicated sites, you'll come to love using these.